YouTube? It's your boy Tay, back with another video. Fresh off work, very long. Look like it cause I ain't dirty. Actually pretty clean today. Not even musty. I be musty as fuck. Besides the point. Hey, well tonight we're gonna be talking about fuel. We're gonna do some fuel related stuff to the car, as well as some other miscellaneous stuff with the car. I'm probably not gonna get done with the fuel lines today. I think I need to order at least one more 20-foot of fuel line, but we're gonna see if it fits or if it's long enough. Pause. So as y'all can see, my fuel pump is right here. I gotta take it back out anyways, cause this O-ring right here is supposed to be in there, but I don't know how it ended up out here. You know what's weird? When I tried to pull this out a couple weeks ago, it act like it didn't even want to come out. And it just came straight out for y'all. That's weird. I don't want to wrong with it. Ain't got no gas. Anyways, this is the fuel pump. Shout out to my boy Cam for helping me assemble this fuel pump, because I did start cutting it and trying to do it myself, but obviously I didn't know what I was doing. Never did it before. And Cam definitely helped me out with this. Big shout out to Cam. You obviously have a feed and you obviously have a return. This is gonna return the fuel back to the tank, and yeah, vice versa. Well, yeah, you get what I'm saying. My ADHD brain is all through the roof right now.
Oh my god.
That's where that's supposed to go. So this was the original fitting that was on the fuel pump. This is actually the wrong fitting and it won't work. So I got a box full of fittings right there. I just swapped the fitting out. Now all I gotta do is take the line, connect it, and try to run it through to see how far it gets. I might be good. I might be with this line. I might not have to order another line. Fingers crossed. This line is already cut. It probably could be cut better, but it might actually work. This is just like a mock trial anyway, so if it don't work, I'll just order some more line and cut it the correct way. But I think I cut this line to do the fuel lines in the front, if I'm not mistaken. So gotta get a pick, you know, pick all this out so I can get the little stopper over it, or whatever you want to call it. The little locking mechanism that's gonna lock this line in place. And we should be Gucci. Got my pick. Don't be mean, little mama. Oh, I just cut myself. These picks are very sharp. Then you don't want to get cut. I'm about to wire this in here. Basically, what I'm doing is moving this out the way so that I can put that piece on that I was telling you about. That's better. Should go straight on now. This is that piece that I'm referring to. This is gonna stop it from coming off the line. Try not to prick myself. Fit good directly over the line. Did I not say that I'm an idiot? I was supposed to put the black piece over it first. ADHD having ass motherfucker. It's cool. That was just a big slap in the face. how my brain functions. Oh my god. It's not the end of the world though. Bet money I get it on. Watch. First I gotta get this off. And it's gonna hurt because I'm gonna get pricked. Bro, you not coming up? Talk to me nice. So my ADHD kicking in again. Because obviously I got this part. All I gotta do. Fucking bro. Shit. Let's go through this thing on end and just go backwards. Get your ass on there. Oh, this shit being lame. I figured it out. Myself to me. What an idiot. Frustration, but it worked out. It worked out. All I need is my adjustable, and that's finished. And this is the return portion. I got a garage open. I don't know what that is. I'm a thug though. This is just a mock-up trial that I'm doing right now. I don't have to tighten this all the way. I just need to see if the line is long enough. So run the fuel line to underneath the car. Whoa. Not gonna fit. I gotta find another fitting. Well, that's where I stop right there. The good news is though, it's more than enough line. So that's good. I'm gonna cap this off. I need to run some air through this anyways, but I'm gonna cap it off. I'm gonna take this to work and cut it when I got some time. Before I go any further, I just have to say shout out to my boy Cam. Thank you. So I was just discouraged not too long ago. Cute little. Again, shout out to Cam. Cam is the truth. Nobody's riding in this back seat anyways. I'm only gonna have 2 front seats, so this'll work. Finally, some type of success.